Yes. Good morning, children. Good morning. As I asked you, how we start a daily routine. How we start? How we start prayer? You get up early in the morning and you start praying. No, no. You get up early in the morning. Okay. Brush. You go to washroom. Brush your teeth. Take bath. All that. Then what do you do after taking bath? After taking bath, what do you do? Yes. Okay. Then okay. I'll get up early in the morning, as you all told me. Yes, very good. And how we follow all this? Get up early in the morning, brushing, bathing, having breakfast, going the praying, class. How do we follow all this? Time. We follow? Yes, time. So today we are going to learn about time. Lesson number 12. Lesson number 12. Time. Page 135. 135 we will be learning. Now, what is time? Can anyone tell me what is time? You all follow, right? You all follow the time, right? You wake up at... Huh? I'm not asking now what is time. Time means what? I'm asking time means what? Huh? Sequence. Okay? Time is what is time? What time means time is yes. Wait. Time is wait. Rathod, Repti Rathod. Time is ongoing sequence, okay, of events. That events are routines that takes place, okay. That how we are taking, as you know, we follow that routine or the sequence we follow. Early in the morning we get up and we just from the bed we have breakfast. We have breakfast. From the bed you go straight away. No, we don't have. What we do? How the sequence is? How the sequence is? Get up early in the morning. We go to washroom, brush our teeth, take bath, then come and have a breakfast, pray, go to school. Then your timetable there also in school. You follow your classes. Okay, morning maths periods, evening then second period English. So that also particular time is there. Now I have sent you the link maths class, that is session 1, time 9 o'clock. Okay, this is what we are following in a sequence. The next class you will be having subject. Okay, then same at home also. You follow lunch, dinner, then again sleeping time. Then your parents, exactly your daddy who has to go to office or factories or some time they follow. If they are 10 o'clock their office is starting, so they leave their house at 9:30 because to reach their office, this is what we all are following. Then your mother also cooks according to the time. Breakfast, she doesn't cook straight away. First she makes breakfast, then she cooks because she follows the lunch time. So all this is goes in a sequence, okay? That is ongoing sequence of routines or events that takes place in our daily life. Okay, then we know in time we know the past, the present and the future. What was time early in the morning when you woke up? 6, that was the past. What is the present time now? 9:22. You said what is time? You said 9:22. Okay. So this is the present. Future, when you will be having lunch around 1 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock. So we will be learning the present, past, present and future of, we will be learning of the time. That is what we will learn in the time. The basic time of unit is second. Okay, the basic unit. Okay, I'll tell you what is second. We have learned in first standard, right? We have learned hour hand, no? 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Have you learned? Yes or no? Yes. So the basic unit of time is second. There are also minutes. Yes. So the basic time is, the unit is seconds, and there are also minutes, hours, day, weeks, months, and years. We can measure this all by using clocks. Okay. Now, I told you the basic unit of the time is second. What it is? Second. Okay. There are also minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years. So, we measure the time using the clock. Can you see this clock? Can you see? Okay. Understood, all of you? Oh, yes. Now, I told you, yes, all the minutes, the hours, the month, the week, the year, all we are going to learn in lesson number 12, time. Okay, lesson number 12, time. Done? Okay. Now, why ma'am has gone straight away to lesson number 12? Because you should know we will wind up with this. And lesson number 6, that is bigger number addition and subtraction, we will learn later on, which will help you for third standard for 3 digit. So, I have taken this chapter lesson number 6 later. Okay, we will learn multiplication after time. Then in this Dasara holidays, you will be learning tables, because we are going to start what? Multiplication lesson. So before all this, we will learn the time, which is very basic. We should know. Now you are in second standard. You all have learned our time in first standard. Then I had told you in first standard. Can anyone remember what is the difference between a clock and a watch? Clock and a watch. I had told you in first standard. Remember? Remember anyone? Yes? No, ma'am. Don't know. Don't remember. You should remember, because I'll be not stressing more on our time. I'll be stressing quarter past, quarter to. Okay? That all I'll be stressing, because we already learned on that. Okay? Our time. Now, clock which we. Okay. Clock which we hang. This is the clock which we hang on the wall. It may be in all different shapes. Square, oval, okay, circle. Okay, the clock may be. And watch is that what we wear in our wrist. What we wear in our wrist is a clock. Okay. A watch. What we wear in our wrist. This is my wrist. No, WRIST. This is my wrist. What I put here is watch. What it is called? What it is called? Watch. And what? And what we, yes, and what we have, yes, what is there on the wall? We call it as a clock. Clock. What we call it as clock. And what we, yeah, and what we should remember, what is watch and what is clock. Okay. What we wear in a wrist is watch, and what we hang on the wall is clock. The clock shape may be square, rectangle, yeah, oval, yeah, circle. The n number of shapes you find in the market, okay, the time. But it shows, maybe the shapes are different of clock, but it shows the second, the minutes, the hours, okay. So we will learn today time, okay. All have taken lesson number 12? Yes. Write the times shown in the clock. Okay, this is your lesson. And I told you what is time? What is the difference between clock and watch, and what is this time means? The daily sequence, the routine, that ongoing sequence of events or a routine is called time. So the basic unit of your time is seconds. Then we follow with minutes. Okay, hour, month, weeks. So this is all is time. Now you can make that one activity we will be always we do. Every year, even you all will do. You will make a clock before starting the lesson. Just any material you can use, any things you can use. There are a number of things you have to make a clock. Okay, showing. I will tell you how it is. It is a fun, and we had children making these clocks at in our school, and we used to keep the best one. Each and every child makes. Then we will be drawing clock. Then how exactly will be drawing, we will be seeing. Okay. Now lesson number 12. All are having pencils with you all. Now yes. Yes. Now here the write the time shown in the clocks. It is all our hand. Okay. It is all our hand. Exactly which we have learned in first standard. Okay. First, when you draw a clock, 12 below down straight should be 6, and here 9, and straight here 3, and put a dot center between 12 and 6. 6 shouldn't be here anyway. 9, 12, 6, 9, 3 exactly. So in between 12 and 3, 1, 2. Okay, the second lines I will be not doing because it will look clumsy, you will not understand. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Here comes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, here all these numbers 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I have shown 12. But how many hours we have in a day? How many hours we are having in a day? How many hours? 24 hours. 24 hours. Very good. Manasvi. Very good. 24 hours you said, right? Now, I am showing you here 12 only. But first, before learning solving the textbook, I will only tell the concept of timing, how it is. Now here only I am showing 12. Okay. One more question I would like to ask you. When our day starts, a new day. Okay, sunrise, right? Now sunrise, where the sun rises? Where the sun rises? East. The sun rises in the east. When it rises? When it rises? 6 o'clock. Morning 6 o'clock. Yes, very good. Now, east, okay, the sun rises, a day, we see the sun coming, a day it brightens, okay, we see the light. Now, thus our day starts at 6 o'clock, the day, new day. 12 o'clock. Very good. It starts, yes, morning sun rises at 6:30 or 6:10, 6:15. Yes, but our new day begins at 12 only. See, 5. Now, first of all, this is 24. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So, before I will tell you how it is, we have 60 1 hour. Okay? Understand? And 30 minutes. Can you see the board? No.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 30 minutes makes half an hour. How much? That is half. First we will learn. I'll just write you. Then I will teach you how it is. Half an hour becomes. Then quarter hour. When that is 15 minutes makes quarter hour. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes. 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 Now, as I told you how when 12 o'clock our day starts, all can see the board.
yes, ma'am.
Whatever I have written. Yes. Now, we are having very good, children told you all told me 24 hours makes a one day. In a day, there are 24 hours. Then I have written 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 30 minutes makes a half an hour. 15 minutes is a quarter hour. How this all is? Okay. Now 60 minutes. In this, 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. Okay. 5, 10, skip counting of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. See, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So, in this clock, it is the 5 counts the 5 tables we count there. So, that makes 60 minutes. The 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Okay. Now, for the time example, now it is 3 o'clock. How it becomes? You all know? Okay. Now, you all know shorthand is a R hand. Yes or no? I had told you in first standard. Shorthand is a R hand. And long hand, that is big hand is a remember first standard we have learnt all this. Big hand is what hand? Big hand is what hand? I give you hints. Minutes. Very good. Minutes hand. Big hand is a minutes hand. Big hand is a minute hand. Now this is you can see here. Big hand. Pink hand is big, no? Yes or no? So this is minute hand and this is a hour hand. Now here see here, you can see here in your clock also, you can see at your home, in a watch, clock, you have 1 to 12 numbers. And this goes, see, 5, 10, 15, 20, okay. Now it was 3 o'clock, right? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So now it's from 3 o'clock that became it turned and turned. Now the time is how much? The time is how much now? Yeah. Yes. 4 o'clock. So yeah. Yes. Then again the big hand. The big hand, that is the minute hand. It goes again 5, 10, 15. It goes, and even the small hand, that is our hand, goes on turning. Okay. Then it goes. One line. First, let me tell now. Okay. It comes 50, 55, 60. Now, what is the time now? minutes. So 60 minutes make 1 hour. What it is? 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay? Yes. The big hand, the minute hand takes the round of 60 minutes and that makes 1 hour and it goes to the next hour. Now it is 5 o'clock, then again the big hand goes to minutes 10, 15, 5, 10, 6, 5, 6, 10, 6, 15, 6, 20, 6, 30, 6, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now exactly now I'll tell you what is the time now. 9:40. Okay. 9:40 means it will come at 8. Okay. Count of 5. Count of 5. If you count after 6, it is 30. That is 30 minutes I will tell you. 35, 40. So, where the small hand and the where the big hands is. Okay. So, in our, we are having 60 minutes. Understood all of you? In a hour, how many minutes we are having? Yes, 60 minutes. And then 60 minutes makes a 1 hour. Understood? In 1 hour, how many minutes? Now, question C. In 1 hour, 60 minutes is there. 60 minutes makes a 1. Got it clear, all of you? All of you clear? Yes. Now, so if the big hand moves, okay, the big hand is the minute hand and the small hand is the hour hand. And the small which we all see, we are not having here seconds. It shows 1 second, 2 seconds, 50 seconds, that tick, 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 fast it goes on. That's the second hands we are not having here. Present only in 2 hands we are learning, we are concentrating here. Now 30 minutes makes a half an hour. In half an hour. Now, if your auntie wants to come to your place, then your mama asks you at what time she will come. At what time? Then your auntie says, I'll be within half an hour. Yes or no? Have you heard this word? Within a half hour? Have you heard this? Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. I will reach school within a half an hour. I will reach home within a half an hour. Your mama calls, your father has not come. I don't know why he has not come. So your mama calls your father, your papa, your dad. So he then when it was, why are you late? No, no, I will reach. I was in traffic. Traffic is there. Traffic. I will reach within half an hour. So this is what half an hour means. What is half an hour? That 30 minutes, half an hour. Now what is 30? Here see, it is half of the 12 hours. See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, that is 30 minutes makes an hour. Then 15, 5, 10, 15. 15 means makes a quarter hour. 60 minutes make a 1 hour. 30 minutes, that is, see, count by 5. You will reach 6, that is 30 minutes makes an hour. 15 minutes makes a quarter hour. So, we are going to learn here in your book the past are quarter, the past, the quarter, quarter two, quarter past, half an hour, 1 hour. You will be learning 1 hour, half past, half an hour, quarter two. Okay. So what is each by one we will learn, and then we soon we will solve all the textbook part. Okay. Now this is what I told you. Now we had started and asked, does our day starts at 6 o'clock? Yes, morning peak sun rises and our day, our routine, as you told, our time starts, we follow our sequence there. But our day starts at night, mid 12 o'clock. The new day begins there at midnight 12 o'clock. Till it ends now 9 o'clock, okay? 9 o'clock. Then it becomes 10, 11, 12. Then evening it becomes. Then evening 6:37, you'll have tea, you'll have some snacks. Then you will do your homework. Then 9 o'clock you'll have your dinner. 9, 9:30, 10 you have dinner. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Then you go to sleep by 10. Yes, you go to sleep by 10 and it becomes 11, 12. There are day. Today Wednesday by night 12 o'clock. Today is Wednesday, right? Today is Wednesday, right? Yes. So, night 12 o'clock only, our day ends. Our day Wednesday gets over. Then night after 12 o'clock, you wish, sometimes, for birthday, anyone's, we wish at after 12. That begins Thursday. Night 12 o'clock, Wednesday ends. But again, we are having this midnight till 6 o'clock because sun is not there. It is night only. But the after 12 again, now tomorrow, now which is day tomorrow? Thursday. So night Thursday only starts after 12. Okay? 12 means it starts. Today by 12 Wednesday gets over. Then at night only, midnight night, it gets the new day. You all know this when we celebrate New Year, right? Can you tell me how you all celebrate your New Year? Tell me. How you all celebrate New Year? Huh? 31st December. When you celebrate that 31st December, at what time how you celebrate Shubhra? Yes, anyone can tell me? Huh? Yes, many people they dance, they party, they eat different things, they contribute, they burn old man. Before 12 they burn old man. Have you noticed all this, Nivya? And at 12 o'clock, y'all burn crackers, and that night only, after 12, y'all all wish Happy New Year. Yes? 31st ends at 12 o'clock, and then after that 12 o'clock, the 1st January starts, the new year starts, and y'all all wish Happy New Year. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Night only you all wish, no? Yes. Our day begins. Yes. Yes. The new day begins at work. Okay. Understood? 60 minutes make an hour. 30 minutes. It has half an hour and 15 minutes quarter hour. Okay. Now today we have done only the introduction. We will learn about tomorrow about more about what is the 60 minutes, how it makes 1 hour, 30 minutes, how it makes half an hour, and 15 minutes quarter hour. Only today the introduction of the time was what is time, what is the difference between a clock and a watch, okay, and when our day starts, when the new day starts, and what our day will. Okay, and tomorrow we will solve our next. Okay, children, bye. Bye. Bye.